Thinking about installing solar panels on your home? Let's explore the ideal system size for UK households. Here at EvoEnergy, we suggest that a 4 kilowatt solar PV system is optimal for most UK homes. This setup typically includes 16 panels, each around 250 watts, covering approximately 26 square meters of roof space. Why 4 kilowatts? Systems up to this size usually don't require planning permission and offer the best return on investment. Larger systems might generate more energy, but can lead to decreased export tariffs and additional costs for equipment and approvals. If you're considering battery storage or aiming for energy independence, larger systems like 5 to 7 kilowatts might be suitable. However, they come with higher upfront costs and may require grid approval. To determine the best system size for your home, check out EvoEnergy's solar panel calculator. It tailors recommendations based on your energy needs and roof space.